So my neighbor told me about this thing called the gelatin trick, and at first I thought it was just another weird health fad. But then I saw it all over TikTok and I was like, what's going on here? People were raving about the gelatin trick, sharing their own experiences and showing off their morning routines. As I dug in, I realized the gelatin trick isn't just some flash-in-the-pan trend, it's actually a simple daily ritual that involves mixing gelatin with water and taking it first thing in the morning. The idea is that it helps support gut health, which can have a ripple effect on the rest of your body, and I have to say, I'm intrigued. My friend who's been doing the gelatin trick for a few weeks now says she's noticed a big difference in how she feels. She wakes up without the bloat, and her energy levels are way more consistent throughout the day. If you're curious about the gelatin trick and how it can benefit you, check out the link in my description to learn more about how to get started. And if you have any questions, hop into the comments. I've got a pinned comment with some extra tips and resources to help you on your way.